guys, Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. It's Around the House with Cheryl, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. But before we get into that, I want to show you a couple things I picked up from Ollie's. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. I'll be right back. Hey, I found a couple of, I think, pretty good items from Ollie's. I went there, I saw an ad in the paper. That was the first mistake. But I have Legos. Y'all know I keep telling y'all I'm a hoarder. And I have some Legos back from like 87, probably a little bit before that. I was going to put them all together, but I've been doing a little here and there. But anyway, they advertised this book. And so I'm not sure who I'm going to give it to. If I'm going to keep it for myself, but it's called Lego Minifigure Year by Year, A Visual History. So look at that, guys. I thought that was awesome. And it was $9.99. And it even comes with 3 figures. There's the townsperson, and they got the robber and the stormtrooper. So they even got a stormtrooper, and that's the little robber. And it's not it looks like a thick book, but it's not very thick. And I'm just going to open it and just show you. They give you a history of all the people, all the figures that they've ever come out with. I'm sure I have a lot of these. Some I've seen on here that I don't have, but I don't need to collect nothing else. But I thought this was a great book, and I'm going to save it and give it to someone for Christmas. But let me show you what else I got from Ollie's that was, it was only $2. I'm going to put a battery in it and show it to you when I show you my Halloween decorations. But it looks like it comes with 2 AA batteries, and this, guys, was only $1.99. So I'm going to get some batteries in it, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. One thing, it has a hook on the back, so you could hang this on the wall. And every time I get something neat, my husband steals it and does it for his decorations. So I'm not going to let him have that. Okay, let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I picked up some more of these little skeleton guys. I might do another craft with them, or might use them for a garland. So you've seen those guys before. I picked up 2 of these little round styrofoam. 2 of them. I might do a craft. I was thinking about maybe showing you how I make my fake cakes. And I saw this twice, and the second time I was like, no, I'm going to get that. Isn't that cute? I just love it. Don't know where I'm going to put it, but I love it. So we got that. And let's see what's in here. I'll be forgetting. Oh, I got one of these candle holders. They only had 1 left on the shelf. I've seen these forever. And when I want to buy them, I only can find one. I'm going to do a DIY with that. I saw someone else do something with those, and I thought it was the cutest things, and I'm going to make them. Probably won't be for this Halloween, but maybe next year. And I saw these decorative bows. It's a 2 count, and I thought they had pretty fall colors, and I'm going to use them on a garland. And so I picked up 2 of them because I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. And then I saw this sparkle mesh, and it's only 3 yards, but it has the spider webs on it. And so if I do some sort of garland, I'm going to use this ribbon and those bows, and maybe the skeletons. I don't know what it's going to look like, and probably lights. So I'll be sure to show you whatever I come up with. But anyway, when talking about the little glass candle holder. The person that did this DIY, she bought some of these little witch hats, little headbands. How y'all think I look? So what I did, I got 6 of them. I got them while the getting was good. My hair already tore up. I spent time doing stuff and it didn't even work. But I got 2 of the black, 2 of the, I hope I did. And oh, I like the purple. Okay. So I got, let's see, I hope I did. Okay, yeah. Got 2 of the blacks, 2 of the purple, and 2 of the oranges. So, what she did a DIY, you know those, I didn't get any, I don't know, I guess I was tripping, but I didn't get any of those, you know those styrofoam like pumpkins they have every year at the Dollar Tree. And when I first saw them a few years back, I was like, who wants these things? What you gonna do with them? But I've been watching other DIYs and she made the cutest things with those pumpkins, and so I want to do it, and I'll show it to you if I get it done. Probably won't be, I don't know. I'm pretty close to finishing my Halloween decorations, so I might have time if I can. And then somebody did a haul and they showed these jars. I still haven't learned my lesson. When you see something, get them all. There was probably 6 or 7 on the shelf, and I only picked up, I think I only picked up 3. I don't know why. I'm gonna go back. They weren't even near any Halloween stuff. They were hiding in the corner. It was in the corner. And let's see, what else the Halloween wise? I thought these were super cute. Look, can't wait to turn those on. Probably get stolen from me too. And you know, nothing exciting. I tried to keep all the regulars out, but just some foil and some of this sassy and chic makeup. And you know, I had to get my sweet mates. So that's my regulars. I try to keep my regulars out my video. I know y'all don't want to see that. But anyway, I hope you like this video. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stick around. I have a lot of more DIYs and probably some more hauls and maybe some tablescapes coming up. So don't forget, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.